guys, this is Aisha and I'm dressed up as a fairy. So if you want to learn this gorgeous makeup, then stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get this started. I've actually made eye shape, but have left the middle part empty. So it's like a D actually here, single line, and then this is the semicircle that I've made. Alright, just make sure that the concentration of the product is here, right above your eyeball, and then just blend, like so. And now let's do the middle part. So for the middle part, I'm going to take this shade. Okay, so if you have seen my Chinese makeup video, you know that these are the same shades that I've used in it, but today I'm using it in a different way. So right now I'm going to use these shades like so. Okay, so obviously if you use your fingers, and the pigmentation is much more intense than with the powder, with the brush. So that's why I'm using it. Let me show you again. Now we're going to use the same lighter shade, but this time we're going to do it under our eyes, on the middle part of the eyelid. And now let's use a secret eye shade that's going to make this eye makeup go to the next level. So this is a reddish glitter that I am going to use. So freaking beautiful. So it comes like my cat. So it comes like so in the kit. You don't have to use any glitter glue with it, and that's the best part for lazy people like me. So for the glitter, we're going to put it on this part and then take it towards this side and a little bit towards this, but the concentration has to be more towards this part. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with here. Oh. I think I have to use my fingers because the pigmentation is not getting intense. I want it very intense here, like so, and then take it till here. I like it. Take this part here. Okay, and then use a brush to diffuse it. And just very little. And take it on the brow bone as well. So you don't have to be perfect with it. This is basically meant to be a fairy makeup, an angelic sort of a makeup. So you have to like be okay with the use of glitter. Don't be like, oh, it's falling. It is supposed to fall. It is supposed to be imperfect, because the beauty lies in imperfection, sweetheart. Same process. Concentration of the glitter over here, and then take it towards the brow bone. Okay, like so. Beautiful, beautiful. Like so, like so, like so. Okay, then a little bit towards the outer corner. Very little. So that is basically the beautiful fairy eye makeup in red. And now let's do with the skin. Don't take out the fallouts. Okay, first we'll be taking a serum. It has actually penetrated my skin, and we are not going to use any foundation because we are going to have a dewy, beautiful, natural skin. The emphasis is more on the eyes, so that's why I'm going to use this Rimmel concealer on my marks, on the imperfections. So I just wish I could have clear skin, but it's okay. Even the moon has imperfection in it, so just embrace yourself. Okay, your beauty. If you're too perfect, then you're not a human, you're a robot. Actually, I've seen people who try to be so perfect. There's something wrong with them. They're more like evil people. They're hiding something under the pretext of perfect. Whenever I use a beauty blender or brush, then it actually melts and it does not hide the imperfection. It just melts into the skin like a foundation, which is so annoying. So seems like I don't, and it seems like that I was born with a clear skin. Like, this is magic. This is magic. If you wanna do magic, then that's what you can do. So today I'm going to use this under eye enhancer that I have bought like a few months ago, and I really like it. Where am I supposed to show you? Clean this goddamn, and I'll show you the swatch of it. It's really nice and very dewy and lightweight. You can see it's from my favorite brand, Max Factor. So Max Factor, if you're watching this video, then I want you to sponsor me, please. This is the amount I'm going to take. Like, just look at the amount. So little, because I've used glitter and the red eye makeup under the eyes. I can totally skip it, but if I'm going to use it, then it's going to brighten the under eye. But let me show you how you can actually do it, because I've used like the glitter and everything before, so you have to be like really strategic with it. Yeah, otherwise it's gonna make the area gray. Seal everything with the Laura Mercier powder. Okay. So now let's do the blush. I'm going to use a Kiko Milano blush in red. Red blush actually looks so good on brown skin. I don't know why people don't use it, but you can try it. If you don't have it, then you can use a red lipstick. Okay. And now the trick part, we are going to use another blush on top of it and drag it towards this part. Okay, we're going to take this pink blush, again from Kiko. I love this brand, really beautiful. So the concentration is pink over here on the cheek, and then the gradient part red on the back side. So that's how you basically blend it. I have actually used more red over here because the pink actually ate the red. So normally I don't use a lot of blush like that, but because it's a fairy makeup, so feel free to use blush. Especially it's a treat for those people who love using blush. So that's how you do it. And now there's a trick part. We are going to use glitter on top of it. Don't actually use a like concentrated glitter. Just don't press it. It has to be loosely like scattered glitter. See that I've used like loose glitters on this part. I have not pressed the part again, so it seems like I've literally come from the fairyland. It looks so gorgeous. I don't know whether the camera can do justice, can show you or not, but it looks really pretty. But if you think the makeup is done, it's not. We have to do another trick part because it's a fairy makeup. So we're gonna take pink shade and then put it here. Beautiful. It's basically from MAC. The shade, it's basically a blush from MAC called Dilly Dolly. The lip, we have to remove this lip gloss, and then I'm going to use this lipstick from MAC. Take out the excess, apply it again. Press it. Kiss your hand multiple times. That's how it is. And then use a pearly glossy lip gloss. Make sure to use a lot of lip gloss because you want your lips to be glossy. And then just finish the lip with the mascara, both on the upper and the lower lash line. Feel free to use eyelashes if you like to use it. I don't like using eyelashes because I think it makes it look really fake. And the individual lashes, I'm scared. And that's the Fury makeup. Let me show you the final look. There's one missing thing that I need to use, and that is, yeah. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until again, take care of yourself. I love you guys from the Fairy, and